Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As part of Microsoft Power Platform learning tutorial, we have already started Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, and we have covered few concepts in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. Today we are going to learn folder package. So let me navigate to Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. So this is our Microsoft Power Automate Desktop Developer Editor. We have already covered how to launch Microsoft Power Automate Desktop and how to navigate to the Flow Editor from the uh, home page. So this is our Microsoft Power Automate desktop here we can see already developed flows. If you want to create new flow, you can just click on here, create new flow, and you can provide the name, flow name. We have already covered all these topics. Let me face any issues while installing or developing or creating a flow in the Power Automate desktop. So as part of Microsoft Power Automate desktop series, we have already covered few topics. So today we are going to learn how to loop each file in a folder. Let's suppose I want to get what are all the files available in the folder, and also I want to get the count of files. So let's suppose, so here I have a folder. In this folder I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 files are there. Okay, so just I want to get all the file names as well as count. So let's see. So this is very important in real time scenarios. We can just get the file names. Let's suppose I want to check whether the new text document text file is available or not. To do that, we need to get all the files available in that folder, and then also we can get the count also. Let's see. So let me go to, based on the time scenario, we can implement this logic. Okay, so let me go to here, get files in the folder. So here let me choose the folder, desktop, target. This is our folder, target is our folder. So here, let's suppose if you want to get only specific extension like uh, XLSX file, CSV file, text file, docx file, you can just provide the syntax over here. So here you can see the syntax for text file is star.txt. So let's see, star.txt. Uh, okay, so let me provide, you can provide the syntax as star.cxe. Okay, or else if you want to read all the files, you can read all the files as well. So for time being, what I'll do, I my target is to get all the file names. So let me click on save. So the all the file names will store in these files. So Microsoft Power Automate desktop it auto generate a output variable. We no need to create a output variable explicitly. So all the variables is going to store in the files actually. So now I'll try to print a message box to display all the files available in the particular folder. So file names. So let me choose files variable to display all the file names. So in order to run this process, we need to save and click on run button. We will get all the files available in the folder. Let's compare folder and files names. So this is our target folder. Now bot is running. We will see the output as well. So the bot is still running. It is taking time. 14 seconds, 15 seconds, 16 seconds. It is taking time to display all the files available in the particular folder. Let's see. So here bot has displayed all the files available in that particular folder. Let's see. Let's compare that folder and see. So here we have few files. So data.csv, data.csv, new text document. So all the files bot is able to display the same thing. Let me try to execute this task once again. Now we are able to display all the files available in the particular folder. So here you can see all the files available in the particular folder. Instead of that, what I want to do now, I want to display the count as well. So let me copy this message box once again, or else let me okay. So here, so let me remove the files and file count is, let me select the variable. So this is our files variable. If you extend this variable, you will get a subproperty called count. So let me select the count. So now I will save this task. I'll try to run this code. Now get all the file names as well as file count as well. So here you can see the file count is 8. So let's manually check how many files are available in that particular folder. So here you can see the count is 8. We have 8 files available. So this is how you can get each and every file in the folder and count as well. That's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. Next video we are going to find subfolders in the folder, main folder. Thank you.